大家好，我是游戏小银，欢迎来到漫威蜘蛛侠 DLC 的游戏世界。我们的小蜘蛛今天装备的是非常经典的托比·马奎尔版本的蛛网战衣。有一位银雕小队的探员正遭到铁车头团伙的威胁，因此我们的小蜘蛛前来解救。
Hammerhead's crew have a Sable agent pinned down. Not exactly a fair fight. Let's even the odds a bit.
你们仗着自己人多是吗？啊！撞炸弹！
Who needs a nap?
后右跟，下来！后右跟，下来！嗯，就剩你一个了。躲闪！躲闪！来！躲闪！蛛丝冲刺！
Hey, you have to teach me how you do all that.
I wish I could say there was an art to it. Mostly I just try to go where the bullets aren't.
Well, I am in your debt.
What were these guys after?
These are humanitarian supplies bound for Symkaria. You have heard of this civil unrest?
I heard it was more of a civil war.
Indeed. Well, these men attacked me and stole most of the supplies. Where they took them, I do not know.
I'll keep an eye out and let you know if I find any. Nice to meet you,
David. David Obademi.
Spider. Spider-Man. Okay, that sounded way less awkward in my head.
内战，银雕女的家乡现在正发生着内战。
Hey, MJ.
Peter, head to Soho. I have a lead I need you to check out. One of my jailhouse sources just told me that some of Hammerhead's guys are always at a certain pizza shop. Maybe you can trail them, find out where Hammerhead's supplies are.
You know, just once I'd like to have a phone call where we talk to each other about our days. Like normal people.
Okay. So, honey, how was your day?
Well, Sable and I caught some bad guys.
Oh, so you are working together.
In concept.
You two have to find a way to work it out. Hammerhead's too powerful to take on alone. My jailhouse source also said that Hammerhead's using this Project Olympus stuff to, quote, improve himself even further.
Further? He was already a walking tank.
Exactly my point. If you two don't stop him soon, he might become unstoppable.
MJ 的线人还真多啊！啊，铁锤头又在强化自己，天哪！
Too many people around. I'm not gonna be able to get close looking like this. Maybe if I ditch the suit.
换掉战衣。
There.
哦，
Now I'm just your average New Yorker. Hey, I think that's the place that got a 3-star review in the Bugle last week. No wonder it's crowded.
That mine or yours?
Mine. Yeah, what's up? Okay, tell him we're on our way. Hey, come on. We gotta run an errand for Tony.
Now?
跟着他们。
We're almost to the front of the line.
I know. Just come on.
Need to run an errand for Tony? Those have to be Hammerhead's men. Better follow him. But not too close.
So what do we gotta do for Tony?
Get his laptop. Guess he left it in his car.
You serious? Why can't he get his own damn laptop?
Boss probably hasn't doing something more important.
哦，点击三角键混入人群。
Be cool, Pete. Be cool.
比酷比酷。
Guess not.
哎，你手机塞哪儿了？
Anyway,
I don't know. Tony probably does, though. He's tight with the boss.
damn freaking Tony. Man, I should be the one who's tight with the boss.
Okay, sure.
混入人群。
Does that look familiar to you?
Oh, look, someone posted a cat video. Better watch that right now.
Nah, all these kids look the same.
啊，
He's also the one who helped the boss come up with that trap for the Sable chick.
Yeah, like that's ever gonna work.
I don't know. Sounds like a good plan to me. And if we get her, we get the rest of her stuff, so...
So now you're on Tony's side? Yeah, I see how it is.
你们要去哪儿啊？
Listen, I'm gonna go talk to Sal. Keep people off the lot for a minute.
Yeah. God, tricking Tony.
Gotta get closer to hear what they're saying. If I can't get next to him, need to get out of sight. Can't be climbing walls until I'm hidden.
众目睽睽爬墙，这里不安全，找个安全的地方，没有人的地方。
No one can see
好
me.
的，
Now I can climb up to the rooftop.
上吧，青年。
If I get above those guys, I can hear them. Gotta get to that alleyway.
再靠近一点儿。嗯，
Swear on my mother's grave. Guy thinks he's next in line.
Ha! Next in line to shine my shoes, maybe.
Ain't that the truth? Anyways, Tony said he needs his laptop. Guess it's got all kinds of important stuff on it.
As laptops do. We put it up in C3.
Slot C3, huh? If I can get Tony's laptop, it could lead me to Hammerhead.
Thanks. Oh, wait.
Stimulating conversation, guys, but I've heard
哇，
enough.
你换装真快，撞炸弹！旋转跳跃，我闭着眼，撞炸弹，躲闪，哇，躲闪，蛛丝冲刺，嗨，后右跟，过来一个，蛛网炸弹，后右跟，再上来一个，终结技。
Okay, now where's that laptop?
C3，就在那儿。
Well, hello there, Tony's laptop. Let's see if I can hack into it. Bada bing. Looks like he's got a Find My Phone app installed. Let's see where you are, Tony.
按照画面左边的方向距离提示器来找到目标位置。
Hi, honey. How's your day?
Busy. Neck deep in research on Symkaria.
I'll make it quick then. Your tip was a good one. I'm on my way to one of Hammerhead's top men. If anybody knows where Hammerhead is, it's him.
That's great.
And one of his guys mentioned setting a trap for Sable. What do you think that means?
I think it means a bunch of old school Magia thugs being threatened by a confident, powerful woman.
Right.
Sorry, Pete. I don't mean to blow you off, but I'm on a deadline, so...
Yeah, totally. Talk later.
No, I don't know when she's coming. You just gotta be ready.
There's Tony.
I don't think that's enough, guys.
蜘蛛无人机
Couple it up.
再补给能力。
And take him out of the basin. Why are you making me do your job?
躲闪。啊，轻松解决战斗。
Hey, Spider-Man. You see that Sable chick? You tell her my boss wants to have a sit-down.
Yeah, I could. But she doesn't really listen to me. Or anyone.
哇，隐身术！
Give me the address.
Wait, how did...
The address!
Colexco building. Rooftop.
No, wait, it's probably an ambush!
跟上他，一个个的都不听劝。
Sable, you're headed into a trap!
It does not matter, as long as Hammerhead is there.
You don't get it! I'm trying to keep you from getting hurt!
I can take care of myself.
Usually you can, but Hammerhead's been using your Project Olympus stuff.
I know.
Then you know he's turned himself into some kind of giant Frankenmonster!
And that is why I must stop him.
But not like this! Not by going right into a trap! Ah, Sable, what are you doing?
啊，看来斯克楼顶在哪儿啊？ 前面那个应该就是克莱斯克大楼，啊，就是那个引导女往楼顶飞去了。哇，什么情况？
Oh, hey, look, a trap. If only we had some kind of advanced warning.
I can handle this.
I'm sort of tempted to sit back and watch, but that would just be petty. Trapped over their own tech. Looks like the whole thing is powered by those generators.
发射蛛网，毁掉4台发电机。
One down.
躲闪，
Get in there, Sable?
用蛛丝抓着物品扔向敌人。
Or is it something else? What do your friends call you? Wait, you don't have any friends, do you? I bet you're proud of that for some reason. Got it. Hang tight while I work on the other ones. Get it? Hang tight?
Shut up.
You know, talking about your feelings has been scientifically proven to reduce stress and improve mood. But just saying, you'd be doing us all a favor. Just one more. That's it. Okay, now let's get out of here.
No.
防御护罩。
Here. Hammerhead will come to us.
Not so sure that's a good idea.
防御护罩时间到了，赶紧离开这里。注意躲闪。我们先在周围蛛丝飞荡一会儿，让小白雕先去攻击他们。当然，我们也可以一直蛛丝飞荡，等着小白雕把这些敌人全部撂倒。哈哈哈哈！哦，注意躲闪！可恶！小白雕，我来帮你啦！蜘蛛无人机上！哇哇，差一点！捉炸弹！
Changing position.
Don't mind me. Just keep doing what you're doing.
冲击蛛网！躲闪！躲闪！终结技！终结技！终结技！赶紧离开这里，不要长时间待在一个地方，以免被围攻。哦，还被锁定了。哎，人呢？干嘛都聚在这里啊？
I guess they lost me.
啊，最喜欢你们聚在一起了。转炸弹，转炸弹，怎样怎样？转炸弹，哎，终结技，前面那个终结技。哇，这人好多！哇，快离开这里！哇！后面两个什么鬼？2个跟踪导弹，真给面子啊！哼！好，防御护罩又快可以用了。哇！又被锁定了。战役能力可以用了。你们完了，你们完了，知道吗？知道吗？弄他们！终结技！最后一个！
Can we please get out of here now?
See you in hell, bug. Two for one. My lucky day.
You're alive.
Did you honestly think I was dead?
How did you find me?
Same way she did. Watch out. That girl has trust issues.
How long have you been watching me? Watching us?
Long enough to know you're making a mistake. Hammerhead's gotten too powerful.
Do you really think I have a choice?
Here.
Wait, is that...
Everything you need to know about that ugly thing. Sorry for what I did to you. But now we're even. One more thing. His head, not as strong as you think it is.
Bye, Felicia. Let's see what's on this thing.
破获城市各处奥林帕斯藏身处，赚取基地代币。总感觉黑猫比蜘蛛侠聪明啊。
If they're keeping Sable in that base, I bet they have those stolen humanitarian supplies in those other bases. I should call David about this.
Hello.
Hi, David. It's Spider-Man. I think I may have found those humanitarian supplies bound for Symkaria.
Great. Can you send me the locations?
Well, there's just one wrinkle. They're in heavily fortified bases guarded by bionic madmen with futuristic weapons and impenetrable armor.
That is quite a wrinkle.
Why don't I scope out their hideouts first and get back to you?
Thank you, Spider-Man. I greatly appreciate all your help.
Time to check in with MJ.
Peter, are you okay? I saw people posting pictures of you and Hammerhead and Sable and...
And Black Cat. Normally she brings bad luck, but not this time.
I knew she was still alive. What was she doing there?
奇异博士，
Skin. And giving me a lead on Hammerhead's hideouts. Turns out he's been stashing all of the stolen Sable tech underground.
What? How?
I'm on my way to find out, and hopefully rescue Sable, if she's still alive.
Listen, I've been digging into this Symkaria thing. It's a big story, something I feel like I need to be a part of. My boss agrees.
Wait, you're going to Symkaria? When?
Tonight. It's a rapidly developing situation. You and Sable can take care of Hammerhead. You don't need me.
Just because I don't need you doesn't mean I don't need you.
That's sweet. But listen, other countries are ignoring this crisis, including ours. These people are helpless, all alone in the middle of a war zone. If I document what's happening and share it with the rest of the world, it might change things. Maybe even save lives.
Spoken like a true hero. But the thought of you heading into a war zone, it worries me.
Do you trust me?
You know I do.
Then we're good. I gotta go home and pack. I'll call you tomorrow when I get there. I love you.
I love you too. I miss her already. The entrance to his hideout must be somewhere close by. Huh, must be underground. It's time for some urban spelunking.
哇哦，这还是第一次进下水道。
Ugh, that's a new smell. Yuck. Hope I find Sable before the fumes overwhelm her. If I can get through this without getting wet, that'd be a win. Hello? This is so cool. Whoa, look at this place. The amount of work it takes to make this city run is just crazy. I'll never take fresh water for granted again.
入口应该在下面。好，这里。
Okay, let's see where this leads. Looks like some loose bricks up ahead. Yeah, nice. Okay, onward.
Whoa!
Hammerheads, guys. They've taken over an abandoned subway platform. Gotta take these guys out, then look around for Sable.
上来吧。还有谁？啊，又来一个。上来。睡吧。哦，又来了2个。安全。 嗨，这边上来，蛛丝冲刺，朝地面或物体发射普通蛛网可以吸引敌人注意。 跳起来，拉下铁架，然后蛛丝冲刺。
Literally didn't see that coming.
Hey, you wanna know what I've been thinking?
哦，来了。
I was thinking we need an insurance policy. So boss said once we take over this city,
下来，
we all get it covered.
睡吧。
What if he don't?
What do you mean? He said he would. Boss is good on his word.
Yeah, but what if all this Project Olympus stuff is getting into his head?
发射普通蛛网，吸引敌人注意。
So you want insurance? For what?
For the money you promised us.
上来，做个好梦。背后暗杀。哗。那个吊灯是可以拉下来的，我们试一下。首先向这里发射普通蛛网，吸引他注意。什么在那儿？然后在吊灯下面，就大概这个位置发射普通蛛网。 差不多可以了。哇！还剩最后2个敌人，上来！叉！还剩最后一个敌人，蛛丝冲刺！
Okay, that's all of them. Now, I bet if I follow the power cables, I'll find where they're holding Sable. Hope that's not a load-bearing subway car.
大力拉车厢。
Nice. Okay, follow the yellow wire. Better not find any lions, tigers, or bears. Oh my. Tunnel's blocked. But I think I can still squeeze through.
哇哦，有点超凡蜘蛛侠游戏的感觉了。铁锤头团伙把武器藏在这么深的地方，怎么运出去的？ 哦，对对对，挖地仔。
Body bags? Well, this just took a turn.
哟，果实袋。赶紧上来。
What do you mean, what happened? He died inside the thing, like the other guys. Who was it? Don't remember his name. Sal's cousin, I think.
Was it messy?
Nah.
吸引敌人注意。
What was that?
上来。
Gotta do this quick,
Dun.
and then find Sable.
背后暗杀。哦，前面还有一个蛛丝冲刺。
Sweet dreams.
哇哦，这什么？
This place looks like their main base of operations.
I told you.
又是奥氏企业科学家。
These things. I didn't design them. Guess we got the wrong guy then. On the bright side, now we got our first test subject. No, no, don't turn it on, please. Just give me a few minutes. I can figure it out. Now that's what I like to hear.
Sable jetpacks. I'd pay good money to see Hammerhead's guys learning to fly in these things for the first time.
这字幕消失的也太快了吧！
XRT-89, Subterranean Troop Deployment Vehicle. That's the real name? I'm sticking with Dig Boy.
这就是挖地仔，负责运输人员和武器，这些其实都是引导小队的装备。
Wow, if Hammerhead gets his hands on this thing, we're in serious trouble.
这是什么？不会是引导小队版的空天母舰吧？
That cop almost killed me.
有李队长。
I thought you said I'd be indestructible. I said almost indestructible. After all, you're still human. Then make me less human. I'm not sure what you mean. I mean what I said. Now get to work.
哇，所以他才升级成了刚才那个样子。
All this stuff belongs to Sable? Yeah, most of it's overseas, though. What are you thinking, boss? I'm thinking about how she took over the whole city in a matter of days. You mean back during that Devil's Breath thing? Yeah, that was crazy. Not so crazy when you got the right equipment. Well, we got those digging things. Not good enough. If we want the best stuff, we're gonna need her. Yeah, okay. How are we gonna do that? Just keep taking her stuff. She'll come to us.
哇，什么声音？好惨的尖叫声！
Sable, sounds like she's close. There. The only way out is through.
坚持住，小白貂，我们来了！
High voltage wires and sewer water. What could possibly go wrong? If there's one takeaway from this underground lair thing, it's that Hammerhead should have fewer thugs with guns and a lot more safety inspectors.
在这里一定要绕着走，从中间走会被电死的。
Every minute I am here is another nail in your coffin. I like it. I will never give you what you want.
You came back for me. Why?
Because I need you.
I work alone.
I used to say the same thing. I know what's happening in Symkaria. I know why this means so much to you.
You think you know, but you do not know.
What can I do to make you trust me? Look, I think I know how we can take down that monster, but I can't do it alone.
Damn it! He let her loose!
啊，热闹了！
Here's the plan.
哇
Good plan.
我们在这里看着他打就行了吧？来人了！哇！好，右边。
You must teach me how to use them!
I wish I could, but it's a whole big intellectual property thing.
How's they playing us? Watch it! They're working together!
Kinda nice to have you on my side for once.
Shut up and fight!
You gotta work on your fight banter, though.
蛛网开花！
Never touches the ground.
震荡波动，
A dig boy.
冲击蛛网。
Did you say big boy?
Yeah. Way better than the real name, don't you think?
蜘蛛无人机上！
Hey, Sable, where'd you learn to fight?
On the streets of Centaria!
Yeah? I learned from watching movies. We should compare notes.
电击蛛网！哈哈哈！拳道矩阵！蛛网炸弹！
Hey, Sable, no lethal force, okay? Are you shooting sarcastically?
半雷！还有没有敌人了？啊，没有了，就剩一个了。不痛快，不痛快！就交给你了，小白点。哦，可恶！去你的！
That was awesome! High five!
High five! 哎
You said you could defeat Hammerhead.
High five!
You, know you left me hanging, right?
High five! 啊。
There are medical records in here.
Yeah, mostly about that metal plate in his head.
Carbon steel.
Super strong, pretty sensitive to
heat.
High five!
I have an idea.
I solemnly swear to do whatever you tell me to.
I will call soon.
High five! 啊耶！笑了笑了笑了。
But yeah.
哇，多么美好的黄昏景色！我们的小蜘蛛现在装备的就是普通的便装，牛仔裤、衬衫，没有戴面罩。就是我奇怪的是，为什么进入自拍模式时候，衬衫颜色就变成绿色了啊？为什么？明明是蓝色的呀，为什么在这里会变成绿色的啊？为什么？ 你这什么滤镜？你看，蓝色。啊！ 绿色，好神奇，不愧是神奇蜘蛛侠啊！再换一个空中姿势，还是绿色的，就是这么神奇，爱谁谁。